everyone. Today we are going to master the correct use of has, have, and had. First, let's look at how they are used as helping verbs. In these cases, they team up with an action verb. For example, the clock has struck 4 o'clock. We have done our work. Teams had won the match. Next, these same words can be used as the main verb or show possession, meaning something belonged to someone. Let's see some examples. He has two sheep. We have a parrot. He had a piano. Here is a quick tip to remember. If you see has, have, or had followed by another verb, it's acting as helping verb. But if there is no verb after it, it's showing possession. Now it's your turn. Let's test your skills with a quick practice challenge. Pause the video right here and write two sentences in the comments below, one using have as a helping verb and one showing possession. I will personally check your answers. If you found this lesson helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe the Grammar with Hansa for more easy English tips. See you next time.